Hello, my shining stars. Today we are doing a brief overview on sight words. What are sight words, you may ask? Sight words are commonly used words. Learning these sight words will help you recognize these words in a book or anything you may read. Why are sight words important? Sight words are very important because they give you clues to what you are reading. You may be able to solve the meaning of the sentence or paragraph that you are reading. What are some sight words? Just a few common sight words are like, hear, go, see, have, and said, as well as others that are in that picture. So in your homework folder, along with your math, you have this worksheet. It's a fun way to learn some sight words and get some coloring in at the same time. So continue to shine on, my dear students, and we will continue tomorrow. Have a good day.